guys, look what Tapa did. He did the things. He did the things. I can't wait to show you guys. Oh my god. So cute. It's been a while since I did like this stuff. Hey guys, so hope you guys are good. I'm just here to greet you guys and to make an intro. As you've seen, I started the vlog with doing my hair. Did it on Sunday. Today's Tuesday, so this is the hair, guys. I did the hair from Tepo. He did my hair. He's based in Akonuk Technical. I'm gonna leave his numbers here. So yeah, and it was 8 rand for this hairstyle. So listen, now he's my go-to guy unless he's not available. So I'm sorted when it comes to that department. Yeah guys, so I just wanted to start this vlog, like introduce each, you know, come on here and remind you guys to subscribe, comment down below, share this video. Also follow me on Instagram. The people who follow me on Instagram, I've already plugged them with the hair, guys. So if you don't, please follow me on Instagram. And yeah guys, today, you know, this week I've been feeling sick. Like ever since I came back from Nelspruit, like I feel like I went to Nelspruit to catch flu and bring it home, because wow, I have flu and I'm so sleepy throughout the days. Like, yo, even at work, I'm just like, I want my bed, I want to sleep, and I can't sleep. I need to push content. So, yeah, guys, this is me to check you guys. So, yeah, the vlog has started. We'll see what we get up to. Maybe tomorrow. Expecting a delivery, so let's go. Today it's Wednesday, and today I didn't go to work because I am feeling very sick. So I want to go to the clinic here, and then after the clinic I'm gonna go to Pick n Pay to grab some stuff and maybe go to Clicks, I'm not sure, and then go home because I want to sleep. Like, I just want to sleep. I don't want anything, I just want my bed. And yeah guys, apparently this flu is also like affecting my eyes. Like my eyes, they just want me to sleep. So I just came to tell you that I'm not gonna take you guys to the clinic, but I am gonna take you guys to Pick n Pay with me. So yeah, let's go. Back now. I need like a car phone holder. So I'm also decided that I'm gonna go to the car wash, give Gina the bath, because wow, oh baby girl, oh yeah, go she hasn't been washed ever since she came back home, and she's dirty. I just haven't found the time. So now I am going to get some food. I didn't want to get KFC, but I have to get KFC because I need to eat, take these pills. I'm kind of like on a diet. So I need to, you know, watch what I eat. So I'm gonna get some KFC and then we're gonna go to the car wash. I hate being at the car wash. Like, there's nothing that I hate being at the car wash. Like, sitting there for almost 2 hours, it's horrible. But I'm just gonna prepare a lesson for tomorrow, because yo, I really want to go to work, guys. I feel like my learners are behind. Like, I feel like I'm missing out when I'm not there. Like, I want to be with those learners as if they want to be with me, but I want to be with them. So I need to get these pills so that I can start working tomorrow morning. When I wake up, I should feel better, even though they've given me like today as well as until Friday, so kind of like sorted, but I need to go back in 17, guys. I need to go back. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's like Monday of the long weekend, and on my way to Hoedspruit. I'm from work and I have a waxing appointment, so I'm gonna go get waxed and obviously have a little lunch outing, you know. It was not as painful like in the beginning, like the first time I came, because also the other time I tried to wax myself, so it was much more better. So yeah, that's the vibe. So now I'm just gonna grab some food, like I said, out in here. Mudimu was in it when he was creating me, guys. Look at me. And Samse and Savali Imilo no Mungbona Yashega Kota Imilo. So yeah, guys, we're at this like white people's bar, Maruala bar. Maruela bar, so yeah, we're in Maruela bar. Guys, like one thing about Hoedspruit, it will have like cool showcases, guys. I love this place so much. Like, well, and I'd rather come this side than go to Hoedspruit and interview. Like, listen, this place is my favorite place. I wish I could just like get a house, yeah, you know, come here with my family, little family, yeah, stay here. You know, push vibes, because wow, honestly, this place is the best. As much as it's like filled with a lot of like white people, but it's still a nice place. So yeah, I'm here enjoying. So I'll see you guys, okay? I'll see you guys maybe, I don't know when, honestly, because well, that vibe, yeah, super balanced. I'm worried, like now I'm worried because my money is gone. So today is Thursday and I got a package from Superbalist. I want to unbox that with you. I ordered some skincare products. Honestly, they were on sale no way I am missing out on that sale. I have to like get this stuff for a long run. And I also got my take a lot order where they delivered the boxes for my packaging as well as the bubble wrap. I'm not gonna show you guys that because they're far. Maybe I'll show you guys tomorrow. And today, honestly, I am so tired. Anyway, let me show you this. What do we have here? I ordered like niacinamide from Fundamental Skin. It targets blemishes and congestion. And this one is smaller. And then I got this serum, this time the avocado one from Korean Skincare Naturals. Really love their tea tree oil, so I decided let me get this other one because the other one is like halfway. And then I ordered like this sheet mask because they were 24 rand. I ordered 3 of them. Actually it's 4. I didn't see. Actually it's more than what I ordered, but they gave me more. Yeah, they gave me more. And I ordered retinol to target sun damage, breakouts, and uneven skin tone because summer is here. We need to make sure that the sun damage is out of this way. So yeah guys, that's what I ordered. Guys, today it's Friday. I was from work and then we did a client some makeup for her metric dance. Now let's go to Mr. Price and then Iconic Mall. Let's go to Mr. Price and let us go to Glee.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk.
So I'm back home. Today's Saturday and I want to show you guys what I got from, I went to Pep. I got this thing. I don't know what it's called. It's a window squeeze. Yeah, it's a window squeeze to clean windows. And I also got like this water bottle, another one. This time I got like a big one. I hope it's like a 1 liter from Pep. It was 29 rand. And I also went to Clears, but you guys saw what I got from Clears. I also went to Mr. Price. I got these things. I got these wipes that I keep in my bag. Actually, I'm gonna take one now, put it in that bag. And I also got this pants from Mr. Price. Guys, the color pink, I will not my go-to colors, but I want to try it on for you guys now. I gained a bit of weight. Not even a bit. I gained weight, guys, honestly. And I gained a lot of weight on my thighs as well as on my arms. And I'm loving the weight that I gained on my thighs, actually. Like, I won't lie, I want to be a thick mama. So let's try these pants on. Like these pants that have like this belt, and honestly, let me try Zini. Look at this pants. Woo-cha! Honestly, this color blocking vibe that is going on, it's not that bad. It's just that this pink is too bright, honestly. But yay, guys! Do you see that booty? Love, love, love it. I also got, I had to take a lot order the other time. I got like a bubble wrap these are like business vibes, bubble wrap. I wanted to see the size. It says I can have like 48 rolls and 250 sheets to fly, so to wrap my packaging. And I also got like boxes. These boxes, there are like 25 of them, crafts. I don't know if I should like open one and see. I hope they fit my box, my containers for the body scrubs. Let me open one and see action. Guys, so this are the boxes, and I'm not sure if they are strong enough. Yo, fantastic. But I think they are, eh? Yo. Honestly, now I don't have time to like pack to fold that box, but yo, now it's gonna give me stress because wow, if they are not that strong for shipping, and as like I am dead. And they are a lot, like 25, but at least they're not a lot, but they are a lot. 25 boxes are a lot. But anyway, let me put water in this thing, and then I'm gonna head to work. Today is Saturday, even though I am so tired. I have to go and see those learners. Sure. But yeah. To work. Let me show you guys my OOTD. I'm wearing these lounge pants from Cotton On, and I'm wearing this top, this black top. I forgot where it's from. I think it's from Mr. Price, but it's old. And I'm carrying this mommy bag from Shein. Like, this is my work bag, guys. This is my work bag, and it's from Shein. It was 90 something rand. And obviously I'm gonna change these shoes and wear these other sandals from Mr. Price. Let's go. So I am at work already on a Saturday. So yeah, I just came here to like actually end the vlog. I feel like this vlog is enough, and then tomorrow Sunday I'm gonna start a new one. So goodbye for now. See you guys next week on my next vlog. Love you so much, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, and please watch my videos, please. Thank you. Bye. I love you.